Grabe, parang kailan lang. Wala tayong ginawa kundi mag-disco. Alala mo ba yun? Kailangan lahat ng event nandun tayo. Kailangan perfect attendance. Naalala mo ba yun siya? Diba? Jalo-jalo life. Tapos, meron pa ako isang naalala. Meron pa akong kwento. Naalala mo ba, ano para tayong tanod before? Wala tayong ginawa kundi magbahay-bahay. Eto, hindi ko makakalimutan sa lahat ng mga ginagawa natin kalokohan dati. Nung hinahabol tayo ng barangay. Ay nako, kalurky, mga pasaway days natin, ano. Ay nako, ang saya-sayang balikan lang. Ang sakit sa brain cells. Charot. Hindi, ang saya lang, di ba? Ayun. Anyway, my friend, happy birthday again to you. Ang birthday prayer ko sa'yo is yung good health mo, ayan, and ibigay ng Lord lahat ng desire ng puso mo. Enjoy your special day. I love you, my friend. God bless you.
Hi, Mami Sai! Happy 50th birthday! How I wish I could celebrate it with you today, but unfortunately, hanggang video greeting na lang muna ako. Well, thank you for the friendship. Thank you for accepting me and adopting me during PTD Las Vegas concert way back 2022. If I'm not mistaken, 2022 yun. Medyo ulyanin na. Okay. But, to be honest, miss na miss ko na kayo. Nakakamiss yung mga moments na magkakasama tayo during events ng Bangtan. And how I wish maka-join ulit ako sa inyo. Kasi super miss na miss ko na yung mga moments na magkakasama tayo talking about Bangtan and anything and everything under the sun. Alam ko, sometimes kulang yung oras na magkakasama tayo sa dami ng kwentuhan natin. Oh well, miss you. I really miss you all. Wishing you all the best, especially good health since may concert pa tayong aatenan, especially next year. Hopefully maka-secure ka ng ticket para makanood din tayo ng concert. Happy birthday ulit, Mami Sai. Miss you all. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Sai! Sorry na ako nakapunta. Love pa rin kita. I love you. Happy birthday!
Hey Sai, alam mo naman tayo, nagpaparamdam lang pag either may patay, may sakit, o may birthday. So today's your lucky day, it's your birthday, so happy 50th. God bless and enjoy your day.
Hello Sai, happy birthday. Si Sai, nakilala ko siya during internship namin, college days. Magkakasama kami niyan sa Laguna, sa National Kidney, sa MCM. Walang time na hindi masaya. Laging magulo kasama pagka si Sai ang ka-duty mo. And then, she's one of the few friends na laging nangangamusta. Hindi nakakalimot mangamusta sa'yo. I know di pa tayo nagkikita since college days pero masaya akong lagi ka nagme-message nangangamusta. And I couldn't wish you any more. I know you're very fulfilled now in your life. I'm sure you're very happy where you are right now. And happy birthday. 50th?
Hi, Sai. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. My God, we've known each other since high school. We've been classmates. First year high school to be exact. And then until we got nag-college tayo. And then mga nagkaroon ng kanya-kanyang pamilya. Then, isa ako sa mga ninang ng mga anak mo. Magkumari tayo. Alam mo, hindi ka lang kaibigan eh. Alam mo na you're a family. You're a sister to me. And I thank God for your life kasi you're one of the blessings that I had. That He blessed me na makilala ka, maging kaibigan ka, maging tunay kang kaibigan. And I always include you in my prayers, you and your family. And I always do pray that whatever your heart's desire, God will give it to you. And especially restoration ng health mo, lahat-lahat, and protection. I pray Psalm 91 over you and your family, and the blessing of Deuteronomy 28. I love you and I miss you kahit malayo tayo. Pero alam mo naman, isang text lang, isang tawag lang, isang messenger lang. Ayan na, kwentuhan na tayo. I love you. God bless you always and enjoy your day. Bye!
Hi, Zai! Happy 50th birthday to you! And welcome to the club! By the way, meron akong hinanda for you. Hope you will like this. 50 years of grace and light, a heart so warm, a soul so bright. Through every laugh and tear you've grown, a beautiful strength the world has known. My dear friend, today we celebrate you for all you are and all you do. May this new chapter shine even more with love and joy you truly deserve. Happy 50th birthday to you, my friend. I miss you and the rest of the M Society. Hope we'll get together soon. Bye. Mwah.